We're always trying to figure out who are the best agents, what makes a really good real estate agent. A couple things as far as prior professions that we've kind of agreed on. We've kind of come up with three, and you're two of them, which is military and service or industry workers.
Yep.
The third being athletes. If you've got some sort of, baseball, football, basketball, they all seem to do pretty well. Let's start with military first. Why do you think that transition with military seems to work?
I think the transition with military seems to work because the organization that kind of goes into it and the discipline. So obviously, when you go into the military, they completely rock you to your core when you go through it, and they're instilling the discipline in you to make sure that you could carry out the mission, whatever it's going to be later on. If you notice, a lot of people that are prior military, that are realtors, are very successful.
Yeah, I see that all the time as well. When people say, I'm military, I'm like, ooh, I kind of like get a little excited because that typically they don't bullshit. They're disciplined. If you tell them what to do, they do it, and they do it exactly to the T. It's always, obviously they're incredible people to be doing what they're doing to begin with. And then you put them in a work setting and they just usually crush it. And then let's talk about the service side of things.
I think it's because of the hustle that has to be there. I mean, when you work in the service industry, you're working for minimum wage. That's shit. When people are inside that service, they learn how to make themselves a sellable product, and that's palatable to the public. And it makes it a lot easier in a career where you're selling things. But at the same time, giving people drinks, serving people food, you learn about them and you become empathetic to people. And I think that also translates over into real estate as well.
Agreed. Yeah, just being able to kind of read your client or, your patron and just customer's always right.